The importance of our gut microbiota is well known. This dynamic microbial ecosystem shapes our growth, development and well-being throughout our lives. Every person's microbiome is affected by factors such as our birth, environment, diet and antibiotic use. Maintaining balance can be difficult. We know a healthy infant gut or microbiota is abundant with bifidobacterium and lactobacillus. These are the two key active ingredients of Infloran. Infloran is an evidence-based probiotic, clinically proven and carefully selected by many medical professionals in Australia to help restore beneficial intestinal bowel flora, maintain and support a healthy gastrointestinal immune function, restore and support beneficial gut flora during and after antibiotic use, promote and enhance a healthy digestive function. Talk to your doctor or healthcare professional about evidence-based probiotics and whether Infloran is right for you and your family.